Okay, I decided to go ahead and film this in case anybody wants to know, because this is two that I've got that has the same kind of head, and I don't know if it's because it was uh, clearance sale and it had issues like that, or even if I had ordered from Amazon, it could have been the same way because it's apparently the same company. I got the picture off of Amazon of what it's supposed to look like. And it's not supposed to be all this one color. It's supposed to be like dark gray down here, and then not real dark gray, but kind of like one of my other ones. It's a grayish back in here, and then, this white color in the front. Kind of like a Daisy May. The one I nicknamed that Daisy May. Uh, the one that's, my favorite. So, but I think I've got her, ready to go. She says she's got some loose hair and stuff, but that's typical. And it's not supposed to be, like that. It's supposed to come back, like I did on this one. Um, I'll show you the inside of the cap when I get done. Inside of the cap is totally different than any other one I have. And I love the fact that it doesn't have these uh, ear tabs, that dig down into the back of your ear. Uh, and I've thought about, on a couple of them, maybe the ones where the ear tabs are really bothersome. You can cut those off, but you have to. But usually there's hair on them, and so if you cut it off, you're going to lose that hair that's on it. That's sewed to it. So I don't know. And I may trim this back just a little bit, the bottom, maybe. Okay. And it's supposed to be on low. You don't want no high heat. It's got to be real low. Real low. it's working. Hope I didn't overdo it. was so different. It's like you don't know where the ears are supposed to be because there's no tab there. You have to kind of go by the hair. Okay. Let's see if I can get this on there good and tight. I might have to sew that right there in that one spot. I might make this a video all by itself. Instead of adding it onto the other ones. I can put the first couple sections before I start working on it on that video. So it's, you know, not too long. Well, if I'm gonna mess it up, I might as well mess it up all the way, huh? I'm gonna... I was expecting this to be like shorter in the back, so that's what I'm gonna do. This here is short. don't take much to shorten it in the back. Okay, here's where it is so far, and I know this doesn't have it. It's not there yet, but I need to go try it on. So at least I did get it to come back this way, but then I gotta, this up here on the top is a bit of a mess. I want to show you what this cap looks like. Okay. See, I mean, it has waves, but there's a, there's this net over it. And I'm gonna just cut this off. I don't need this because it fits tight enough. This is to adjust it to, you know, if you need to tighten it, but I don't think I'm gonna need those. I'll probably cut those off. But I've never seen a cap like that. I mean, not any of mine. See, the other kind, they have this wave, but they have these things that go down right here. This one doesn't have that. It has this instead. And then it's got these waves that go like that, and it's just constructed different. I've never seen a cap like this. So, okay, I'm gonna turn this off. See, this is the reason I don't like, filming. This is why I didn't film this one, because it's a mess to clean up all this stuff and then have to get it out and then have to put it away and just. But I was gonna have to get it all out anyway to do this, to work on it. So this is my head. This is supposed to be the size of my head. My head's supposed to be a 22. This is a 22. But they say if you get a cap that's too small, you can put it on like a head like this and, stretch it out. So, maybe my head's stretching it out. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna, turn this off and go play with it some more, see what I can do and figure out. I might not cut well, it depends on if I have to cut the bangs or not. I might leave the bangs uncut on this one, since these two are so similar, so they'll be, different. You know how I like different. Okay. What is it? 27 minutes? See, it takes a while to do stuff like this. Okay, bye. Subscribe and like. Thank you. Thanks for watching.